What's up, everybody? This is Chadwick, the Michigan RC Club. This week we are going to attempt to build the EB410. I've been putting off building this buggy because I have a lot of parts coming for it. You know, some stuff from Exotech, the center drive, the flight system, and some other parts, aluminum goodies and whatnot, carbon fiber, yada yada yada. So I've been kind of putting it off because I don't want to build the car and then basically rebuild it with all these parts like a few days later. All right, let me get into the reasons why I chose a Tekno buggy over Associated. I mean, I love my B6, man. That thing is awesome. The Kyosho, and that's a real nice car too. This time I went veteran support route, basically. Tekno gives a 60% discount to veterans. And another bonus of that is Tekno pretty much makes the best stuff you can get. And the fact that they do that and everybody knows it's the best, and then they still give you a 60% discount. America. I mean, nobody's paying me to do anything. Nobody's doing anything. Nobody pays me a dime for this. And then YouTube changed all their guidelines to be a partner, so I'm losing my $6 a month. I used to make about $6 a month on YouTube, and I want my money back. Where's my $6? How you take my $6 from me? This is real nice USPS. I mean, it come beat up, but luckily, I mean, nothing got broke. But man, I usually have pretty good luck with USPS, and they know me by my first name because Jesus, I order enough stuff to to warrant them knowing me by my first name. But I already had a set of Gone Bananas foams. Swear by these guys, man. They make foam tires for indoor buggies. I've run Gone Bananas on all my vehicles and never had a single problem. So as you can see, we're only going to put 2 gears on it. Let me get it focused. We're only going to get 2 gears on this bad boy and put it in there. Make a 2-gear diff. This is the super black market diff trick from the Dark Lord himself. We're about to chassis up, so let's get that done. Something worthy to point out, if you plan to shim the rear, the shims are located in bag O. Okay, they're not in the bag when you get to the point. They're in bag O if you want to shim it. So there you go. They look like this. Okay, one thing I noticed when it turns, let me get it up close here, maybe you can see, is it hits right here. I'll reach around here. The ball cup, outside of the ball cup here, hits the rack. There is a little cutaway for it, but because I'm using such a low pro servo, it's actually hitting. So I gotta take the Dremel and just remove a little bit more material right in there. I just pretty much extended the little dip that they give you down to the bottom. So now all is good. And luckily my Tekno stuff came today. I was really stoked about that. All my Tekno stuff, I mean, they got it out lickety split. I thought they were just updating it, the tracking number, but they got it out right away and we got it in there. It looks great. They did send me the RPM version. I was hoping to not have that one. Kind of want some more torque, but I'm sure it will be fine. I will just gear to compensate, etc. And I'm going to put a Burley fan on it anyway, so it really doesn't even matter.